Hi guys, I'm Dawn with 7 is Enough, and we're here to do another restaurant review for you. And today I have the privilege of introducing my number child.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm the middle child.
The middle child, and we're pretty excited that he's here, and we're excited to tell you about our experience with Nelle Belle's Diner in Claycomo, Missouri.
It was good. You walked in and it was really small. So as soon as you walked in, the little bar area was right there, and then they had some extra tables.
They had added on to the original diner, so there is another room attached, but it's still very small. And it's really neat because when you walk in, it's like a 50s look. It gives you that
old-timey feel.
Yeah, that old-timey feel. And Scott got
the tenderloin steak, and it was a sandwich. It was a tenderloin steak sandwich. And it was about the bread was about this big, and the steak was this big.
It's huge.
So what I actually did was I folded it in half.
He did. He cut it in half.
It was good.
And yeah, it was fantastic. And they said, "What do you want on it?" And he said,
They said, would you like pickles, relish, horseradish, ketchup, mustard? And I was like, yes. Yes. And they were like, oh, everything. I was like, yeah. I like my condiments.
Yeah, it was good. And they put the horseradish on the side, which was good. Because when he said yes, I don't think he was thinking.
Yeah, I don't like horseradish. But everything else I like.
But Matt ate the horseradish, so it all worked out. I had the double stacked BLT, which was bread, mayonnaise, tomato, bacon, lettuce, bread again, and then the whole thing again. It was fantastic. And then I had crinkle cut fries, and it was really good. And I hadn't had a BLT out and about in a long time, and it was it tastes so much better when you're not the one that makes it.
It was scrumptious.
It was.
The tomatoes were really ripe, and they complemented the bacon really well.
Yeah, they were juicy.
Mm-hmm.
And then we had Olivia had her grilled cheese. It's kind of her regular thing that she likes to have. And she had the curly Q fries, which were really good. And then Matt had the omelet. I was actually jealous after it came because he's doing the low carb.
Everything but the kitchen sink omelet.
Yeah.
Or the kitchen sink.
I think it's called the kitchen sink.
The kitchen sink omelet.
And yeah, it had jalapenos, it had mushrooms, green peppers, onions, tomatoes, all kinds of good stuff in there, and cheese. And then he got hash browns with gravy, with sausage gravy, which Scott ended up eating.
They were delicious.
And they were good.
I like gravy on everything. So.
Yeah. And they will also put, obviously, the tomatoes and other toppings, but yeah, he just happened to get it with gravy because it sounded great. Yeah. So my favorite part to the entire dinner was, aside from the bacon, lettuce, tomato, was the strawberry shortcake.
Oh yeah.
It was huge. I mean, I don't know if the picture will do it justice, but it sat that tall. No doubt. Had the metal boat.
It was a metal boat with shortcake, and then the strawberries, and then whipped cream, and it was about that tall.
It was good. It was really good. Yeah. I was impressed. And again, the people that work there are so kind.
Yeah.
Their menu selections, they had a lot of variety on their menu, so that was nice. Claycomo, Missouri is the home of the Ford plant, so I believe that they open so Ford workers can come in and get breakfast before work. But they open early, so they close about 2 o'clock every day. And we walked in at about
1:54. It was 1:54.
I was thinking it was 1:44.
Yeah, it was 1:54.
We walked in a few minutes before 2 o'clock and asked them if it was okay to come in. They were more than welcoming and let us come in, and we yeah, filled our bellies. And so I really enjoyed the food.
Yeah, it was delicious.
I thought their price point was great. I thought there wasn't anything expensive, and what you got really tasted good. Just a little disclaimer here, when we do a review on a restaurant, it's always because we like the restaurant. We're not going to do a negative review. If we go in a restaurant and we don't like it, you'll never see us review it. We're not going to put that out into the atmosphere.
Like and subscribe, give the big thumbs up, and ding that bell.
And remember, 7 is enough.
And let's do some fan mail. Let's do fan mail.